Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you 6 tools that you can use to create very powerful presentations. And I'm going to add a bonus, and the bonus is also an additional tool which I think is pretty useful for presentations on Zoom, Google Meet, and the likes. Let's get right into it. So the first tool is slidesgo, which I use very often, and I think is pretty awesome. It has a lot of templates, it has a lot of free tools that you can use to create very great presentations or slides. So you can search for whatever theme that you want to use in the presentation and you'll be able to get it.
slidesgo has a variety of themes that you can choose from. You can also use the search bar to search for a particular theme. So let's say we want technology, we search for technology and get the results containing technology template. So we can go ahead and then click on a particular template. So let's say we choose the UX research plan. We also have the option of going through the template to see if that suits what we really want. And if we confirm that that's the case, if we really want that template, we can then copy it to our Google Slides. We make a copy of that slide, or we can download it as a PowerPoint presentation.
The second tool is slidescarnival.
slidescarnival is quite similar to slidesgo. It has a lot of free templates, but I think it's limited with regards to the themes that it has. So when you search for a particular theme or template, you can go ahead and download it as a PowerPoint or copy it to your Google Slides like you have on your slidesgo.
The third one is genially.
Genially is quite different from the first two, so you can create other things apart from presentations. You can have infographics and a whole lot more. And it has a lot of different themes like the rest, but I think for this one there aren't a lot of free options. Most of the options available are premium, and the free ones are not that exciting like the other ones. When you go ahead and open a particular template, you will see that the slides are quite nice, quite beautiful. But the unfortunate thing is you won't be able to download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint file or even copy it to your Google Slide. So that's one of the downsides of using app genuinely for free. The best thing to do when you're using app genuinely is to actually pay for it. I think that's the way you can get the most out of it.
The third one is Canva, which many people use very often. It's pretty common.
You can use Canva for a variety of things. You can create logos, you can create videos, you can create presentations. I use Canva once in a while for my presentations and I find it quite intuitive to use. There are various themes or templates that you can choose from, and when you choose a particular template, you can customize that template to your liking. You can add text, various animations, or illustrations to make your presentation much more pleasing to the eye. One downside is the fact that you can't download your presentation as a Microsoft PowerPoint file or copy to your Google Slide, but you can actually download it as a PDF, which is okay. And you can also present from Canva directly.
The next one is slide members. Slide members.
I actually haven't used Slide Members that much, but it has a lot of templates that you can choose from. You can go to free PowerPoint templates or free Google Slides. So when you scroll through the options, you can choose the one that you want. When you indeed select an option, you can download that template as a PowerPoint file or copy it to your Google Slides. Most of the templates have about 4 to 5 pages, but you can still customize it to your liking. You can duplicate pages, you can move stuff around just to see whatever you want.
The last one is my free slides. My free slides.
My free slides is much like slidemembers. It has free templates that you can choose from. And when you download the template, just like slidemembers, it has about 4 to 5 pages, but you can still customize it. You can also download the template as a PowerPoint file or as a Google slide.
Now let's get into the bonus tool, which is Blurweb. Blurweb is a Google Chrome extension, and you can use it to blur sensitive information that you think people should not see when you are presenting your screen or your browser, your web page on a Google Meet call or a Zoom call. So you can click on that thing and just blur it out so that other people cannot see it when you are presenting. So I think it's a really good tool just to ensure your privacy and your security.
Imagine you are on a Zoom call or a Google Meet call or Microsoft Teams call, and you have your browser open. You're on a web page which has your credit card number, your API key, your transaction ID, or a link or sensitive information that you might not want people to see. You can use the Blurweb tool to blur that information out so that other people will not have access to that information. To blur something on your page, you will click on the extension in your browser and then click on whatever you want to blur out, and it will be blurred out instantly. To download the extension, you choose the browser that you have. So for my browser, it's a Google Chrome browser. So I click on Google Chrome, head over to the page which I'll be redirected to, and I can add the extension to my Chrome. So when I want to use it, I just click on the extension and then click on whatever I want to blur out.
Thank you for watching the video up to this point. I hope the tools that I have shared with you proved beneficial to you in your next presentations. So ace those presentations. Let me know in the comments below the tools that you end up using and the tools that you have used before. And if there are any other tools that I didn't include in this video, please add it in the comments. Yeah, thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share with other people too. Annyeong!